Coverage you can count on. Way 31 News at 6 starts now.
Tonight, the environmental group Center for Biological Diversity told Way 31 they are working with Toyota Mazda to help protect the spring pygmy sunfish, an endangered species only found near the site of the planned auto production plant. Thanks for joining us. I'm Dan Schaefer.
And I'm Demetria McClinton. That fish has halted construction of the plant. Way 31's Stephen Dilsizian spoke with the attorney and learned what the organization wants to see done.
Now, earlier today, I spoke with Elise Bennett, an attorney for the Center for Biological Diversity, and she told me they've been in contact with Mazda Toyota and says it comes down to two options.
Well, certainly when we first came to them, we said it's really a matter of resiting the plant or coming up with protective measures that avoid harming the species.
All Elise Bennett wants is the protection of the spring pygmy sunfish, a species on the verge of extinction in Limestone County. The organization she works for, the Center for Biological Diversity, wants officials with Mazda Toyota to either find a different location to build the plant or find ways to help protect this fish, because otherwise the construction could cause the end of the spring pygmy sunfish.
Can loosen up these soils so that when it rains, they wash out into the springs and into the creek systems, and this is an unnatural level of debris that goes into the water.
But her organization never filed a suit against the Mazda Toyota plant.
And the suit is to get the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service to do what it's required to do under the Endangered Species Act.
Bennett says they believe the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service has not done its job, and the goal of the lawsuit is to change that.
We simply want to see U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service finalize and designate that critical habitat so that the spring pygmy sunfish has these crucial habitat protections it needs to survive.
Now, the city of Huntsville told me that this is just a short-term suspension to do additional surveys concerning protecting the fish. They anticipate construction to resume shortly, and there's no word on whether relocation of the Mazda Toyota plant is even an option. Reporting in Limestone County, Stephen Dilsizian, Way 31 News.